Welcome. Bottle gourd curry. Very simple to make in an instant pot. Let's make it. Cut this bottle gourd into cubes, small cubes, like this. Now into this bottle gourd, cut into cubes, add half teaspoon each coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric, quarter teaspoon of hot spices, garam masala. That's it. And half a teaspoon of salt. For half a kilo or 1 pound to 500 grams of bottle gourd. Mix everything in along with half a cup of water and a teaspoon full of oil or 2 teaspoons of oil, maybe. Enough. Half a cup of water. Also add a tablespoon of gram flour. You can add any flour, but here I am adding gram flour, chickpea flour. Close the lid of instant pot. And start pressure cook for about 3 minutes. Start. That's it. Set it, forget it. And your bottle gourd stir fry curry is ready. It's ready. Now release the steam. Let's open it. Wow, great. All right, let's check it out. The curry is ready. Wow, it looks great. I am adding half a teaspoon of jaggery to it. You can also add white sugar or brown sugar if you. Let's serve it hot with rice or roti, paratha or naan. Thank you for watching. That's a lovely bottle gourd curry. Thank you. Enjoy.